Hey there! Welcome to Techie, giving new life to your laptop. I'm Alicia, and today, we're going to take you through the process of finding the right battery for your Dell laptop. In this video, we'll show you two simple ways to find the perfect battery for your Dell laptop. First method, using your Dell laptop model number. Locate the model number of your device. This information can usually be found on the bottom of the laptop. There is also occasionally a DPN, Dell Part Number, for the entire unit, which can be searched as a backup. With this information, you can easily search for the right compatible battery on techistore.in. For example, let's say your Dell laptop model is the Inspiron 5520. You can simply search for Inspiron 5520 laptop battery on techistore.in and find the right battery for your laptop. Second method, using your battery part/model number. Every Dell battery has a type number, which is what you'll need to search for when looking for a replacement. This number is unique to each battery and is used to identify the specific battery model. In addition to the battery type number, there is also a Dell Part Number or DPN that can be found within the serial number on a small white sticker. DPN are 5 characters long, and any leading zeros can be discarded. Now you can use either the battery type number or the DPN. For example, you can search for 8858X laptop battery and find the right compatible battery for your laptop. In conclusion, finding the right compatible battery for your Dell laptop is as simple as finding the laptop model number or battery part number and using it to search for the right battery. I hope this video was helpful in guiding you through the process. If you still have any doubts, you can contact us directly and we will advise you on the right compatible battery for your laptop. Thanks for watching.